Good morning. The Laravel community is amazing. They're creative. They are always pushing the boundaries, and I just I just think it's super cool. And today is no different. I want to introduce you to this new project called Liminal. It's a browser-based IDE for Laravel, and it's powered by WebAssembly. So what it does, it's basically a browser-based code editor. You get a code editor, a preview pane, terminal, AI agent, just kind of everything to build an app right through your browser. You can, it's on GitHub, so you can actually download it, install it locally. But one of the cool features is actually sharing and syncing. So you can share URLs from what you build. And for local development, you can do folder sync to the file system. So it's kind of sweet. But even cooler is there's a demo. Let me open this up right here. We'll let it load. So as it loads up, this is like a full bore Laravel application. You can see the Laravel 12 welcome page right here. You have a code tab. That way you can browse, all the files. You've got a terminal tab. You've got an agent mode, so you can actually, use AI to tell it to build you something. You do need to include your open API key, but no big deal there. And then under tools, you can import a GitHub project. You can create share URLs. You can download the project file system, the SQLite database, local sync. You can't do, I guess you can. It says you have to use Chrome, Edge, or Opera, and right now I'm actually on Safari, so that's why it's not available. But if I swap over to the code tab, let's just see if it works. So I'm gonna go to routes web, and you can see this is just the default route. And I'm just gonna die and dump and say, hello world. And then we're gonna save this. Once that's done, swap back to the preview tab. And what you have to do is just kind of refresh this. And there we go, hello world. That's amazing. I love this. So I know you're thinking like, what am I going to do with this though? And I had the same question because I couldn't come up with a good answer. I was like, this is super cool. I don't know what I would use it for other than maybe the share URL. But on on X, Tony Lee built this. He says, this is a storybook style playground for Laravel Blade components. It uses Liminal to power this with WASM, making it a fully sandboxed Blade component playground for building and testing. So if I click this watch again, it just loads up. Probably the easiest way here is I'll link this tweet in the description along with the project and everything. And that way you can go check it out because it's too hard for me to zoom on the screen with the way the recording studio is set up right here. But check that out. Like, that's just amazing, what people are building and, how you can build off of stuff like this. So as I said, the Laravel community is amazing. They're always pushing the boundaries. It's really cool just to be a part of this community and see what people are actually doing. So go check this out. It's, you can go to our website. It's called Laravel News, laravel-news.com/liminal, Liminal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.